Welcome to Yakking Cabin. Tip of the day. Flukes. This is all about flukes. Whenever you use a fluke, pull one out of the package. Squeeze it, rub it down, rub it hard. It brings out the salt out of the inside and it puts it on the surface. That allows for a better hookup ratio because the fish tastes the salt and it hangs on longer. The second tip, never ever throw them away when you get done with them. When you get done with it, take and put it in a plastic bag and use it as a trailer for a jackhammer, chatterbait, vibrating jig, spinner bait, whatever you use. It makes a great trailer and you can use the old ones. All right, get out there, go fishing.